Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Tuesday, September 18, 2018. This was a tough decision, but for a variety of reasons, my wife and I have chosen to put Voodoo Child, the 1953 22-foot dual quad 4 Shepherd Runabout and her Sea Lion trailer on the market and pass stewardship from us to her third owners, whoever they might be. Voodoo Child is a very special boat, as the material below this clip will detail for you. She's one of two. She was an experimental 1953 combination of a Chrysler dual quad 4 Hemi and the model 110S Shepherd. She could be yours. Please contact us if you're interested. Now let's take a look at her and see what exactly she will offer you. Shauna at Cochin Instruments did the instruments for us. She is in Minnesota. Pearlcraft outside of Perth, Australia, did the wheel. The upholstery was done by Mark's Upholstery. Gail just did an incredible job, matched it perfectly. She still retains her original molded glass windshields. Every bit of hardware is original. Every piece of wood is original. We did put a 5200 bottom on her, but we saved the original planking and reinstalled it. So all of the bottom planking is original. Her dual quad 4 331 Hemi V-drive, original, fully restored by Chris Craft Custom Parts, Peter Henkel Incorporated in Marine City, Michigan. Now let's see what she'll do. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.